Example right now. Construct triangle PQR in which PQ is 5.5 centimeter, angle P is 60 degrees, and angle Q is 30 degrees. Measure angle R. Now to start with the construction, what we do here is we have to first we start with the steps of construction. And the first step is always to draw the rough sketch. Draw the rough sketch. Baseline was PQ of 5.5 centimeter. Angle P is 60 degrees and angle Q is 30 degrees. This will be point R. So this is the rough sketch which you will draw just using your ruler and pencil. Done. Using your ruler, just draw a straight line, mark a point P. Mark a point P. Draw a straight line using your ruler, mark the point P. Now take the radius of 5.5 with your compass. With your compass, take the radius of 5.5. Now, where will you put your compass point? At P. So, put your compass point at P with the radius of 5.5. Draw an arc on the other side, which will give you point Q, and the distance between the two is 5.5 centimeters. Right. Now at P you have 60 degrees. This was your second step will be draw PQ equal to 5.5 centimeter. In your rough sketch, we had P here, Q here, R. At P it was 60 degrees. So at P we have to make a 60 degree angle. Now to make the 60 degree angle at P, since it is at P, put your compass point at P. Put your compass point at P. With the compass point at P, radius less than half, starting from below the baseline, draw an arc moving up. Compass point at P, this point move up. Less than half. Okay? And don't change the radius after that. Keep the radius fixed. This will be point 1 that you get on the line. On the line you will get point 1. Now your compass point at 1. Draw an arc on the big arc with the same radius. Radius should not change. With the same radius to get point 2. Now draw a ray PX passing through P. A ray PX, make the ray long enough. You can rub it off afterwards. Right now you can make it long. Okay. Draw a ray PX passing through P. If you cannot see from there, you come here. Come and sit here. Right, this angle XPQ is equal to 60 degrees. We can measure the angles afterwards. Okay, that will be 60 degrees. Now at Q, you have 30-degree angle. So your third step here was construct angle XPQ equal to 60 degrees. Now 30 degrees is at Q. So put your compass point at Q. Don't change the radius. You can put the same radius. Compass point at Q. Okay. Starting from the bottom of the page, of the line, draw an arc going up this way. At this point, we are getting point 1. Okay. Without changing the radius, put your compass point at 1. Draw an arc on the big arc to get point 2. Now, when you are drawing it on this from point 1, also draw one more arc in front of the big arc. Draw one more arc in front of the big arc. First from here, from Q, one big arc to get point 1. From 1 to get point 2, crossing the big arc. And then an arc in front of it. Without changing the radius, please do not change the radius. Put your compass point at 2. Put your point at 2. From 2, cross the arc that you have made in front. From 2, cross the arc that you made in front. Right, join, this is point 3. Now join 3 with Q with a ray YQ. Draw it with a ray YQ. Now ray YQ will be, ray YQ will meet XP. Ray YQ is meeting ray XP at point R. It is meeting at point R. So you get a triangle PQR. Done? Now measure R.